Indoor gardening, I'm very much a fan of it. We have a short summer season and a long winter season that oftentimes is depressing for gardeners who enjoy being outdoors, being around their plants, and also the flowers. So when I grow indoors, I am awfully disappointed with a lot of the plants that have fruits because two things seem to happen. One is that the blossoms tend to drop at times, and also older leaves tend to dry up and fall off the plants. And where do those go? On the floor. It drives me nuts. So, looking at these pepper plants, they make me very happy to see all of that green vegetation and all the blossoms that are forming. But when you look down at the base, you can see that it's very clean. In terms, at least, of no leaves or no blossoms that are on the deck of that planter. Nothing down below around the base of the plant either. So why is it that my garden indoors looks better than several others? There's your solution. Very small, battery operated, easily charged, and quick to use. This has got to be one of the best inventions that I have found for indoor gardening, simply from the standpoint of it makes it very accessible for people to grow in an office where otherwise the steady influx of professionals in and out of an office would quickly look at a grow operation and say that, it's just a mess and it should be taken out of an office. It really does seem to keep everything that I do a lot cleaner in nature.